So I only have one load of laundry left. Well, I put it back in the dryer because it wasn't fully dry, and it's gonna take about an hour, so I think now is a good time to go biking. Putting on sunscreen because LA is finally giving us LA weather. So it is sunny. I think it's like in the 70s today. It was in the 70s yesterday. It's gonna hit the 80s later this week, but I will be cold in Lake Tahoe later this week. But yeah, looking forward. On one hand, I don't mind the cold because I got to wear like my sweaters and stuff for longer. And LA's usually so hot. We don't get too much rain or cold or anything like that. This sunscreen just does not want to come out. There we go. So on one hand, it was like, oh, we need the rain, and it's kind of novel having it be cold. But on the other hand, it's like I want to be warm. So I think 70 degrees is like my ideal weather. 80's okay. 80's like my ideal summer. I wouldn't want it to go much higher than 80, but I know it's gonna get hotter than 80 later. Hopefully not anytime soon, but it sounds like for April, LA's finally just giving us sunny desert SoCal realness. So, which is nice. But also nice because now it's tattoo season. Everyone's gonna see all the tattoos. Not that I've gotten anything new since last year, but yeah, it's anyone that gets to see you regularly has never seen you with short sleeves before, gonna get all sorts of shocked. My friend whose birthday it is getting a tattoo today, which is super exciting. I really want to get a tattoo, but this year my focus is saving money for travel. So I think if I get a tattoo, it'll be at the end of this year with any money I have left over, and that'll just be like my tattoo money. So I think I'm gonna get back onto one tattoo a year because during pandemic I was going crazy. But yeah, so time to get on the bike. Bike's like 9 miles. Not bad. So I'm about to go for a walk, but look at my shirt. I got this at WonderCon, and I have another one that says I haven't pooped yet. So I'm a big fan. Hey, it is now Kareen from the future, as in editing Kareen. I hope you liked this vlog video monthly thing. I know before I was talking about doing just like a sit down chatty one, but this time I tried doing a little more b-roll, a little more get things done sort of thing, the type of vlog I like to watch. It did take about 2 weeks between filming to actually sitting down to edit to get it done, but I really like how it turned out. So my sister, if you were watching, I know you were telling me I should do something like this. I hope you are satisfied, but also I was feeling up to it and felt like filming, and I think it turned out really nicely. Also, I wanted to include some painting process of this zine piece I'm doing, but then I realized I couldn't because the thing hasn't been released yet, so I can't show anything. So I'm showing this plein air Procreate time lapse instead, which might be looking a little funky because I put it down to less speed than it was initially exported, but hopefully you enjoyed it anyways. I did it for plein air Pro. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like plein air and April. Plein air, well, anyways. So it's basically a plein air challenge. You do like a plein air painting every single day for the month of April, which I'm not doing, but I still busted this out as soon as I found out it was a thing because I love doing plein air. So yeah, April has been busy so far, kind of a mix of busy and relaxing, weirdly enough. I just got back from my Lake Tahoe vacation. I've got a Zine Fest this upcoming weekend and a whole bunch of other stuff in the works. But yeah, basically hope you guys are doing well and that you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, thumbs up, subscribe, whichever you want. Check out my Patreon maybe. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your month and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.